Hi everyone! In this video we're going to be talking about snack bars. Snack bars provide concise feedback about an operation through a message at the bottom of the screen. They should contain a single line of text directly related to the operation performed. They may contain a button as well. When you're designing snack bars, make sure to pay attention to the following points. Number 1. It should be brief. Snack bars should only display brief information about an operation and not detailed information. Number 2. Transient. Snack bars automatically time out from the screen, so they should disappear quickly. And last but not least, hierarchy. If the action is important enough to block the app usage, you can use dialogues instead of snack bars. In snack bars, only use one button if it's needed, and not more. As you can see on the right side of the screen, we have two different examples. The first group of snack bars are designed perfectly because it doesn't have more than one button, and the colors that have been used are great. However, on the other hand, the second group of our snack bars has two buttons, which is not ideal for snack bars, and also it used an icon in addition to the text.